Okay, this is part 284C3M1B7C8E13C9C6D3P38D19D7b1. And it's line 22f1fa19C3M1B7C8E13C9C6D3P38D19D7b1 Dielectric mirrors Bragg formula 5G Wow Seti. There's our alien radio signal. Okay, so this is about lasers, mirrors for long-distance communication device, the formula from the WOW data. I was working on it March 9th, 2013. Today's March 24th. The keyword is Hertzian Dipole. Continues from previous video, line 22f1fa19C3M1b7C8E13C9C6D3P38D19D1. Hertzian Dipole loop patterns 5G Wow Seti. The formulas from the data found in this video and in the previous video is line 22f1fa19C3M1b7C8E13C9C6D3P38D19D2 Hertzian Dipole magnet transformer 5G Wow Seti. Then I googled the keywords in the next several videos, which will be dissipation, lambda, ferrite rod, and so I googled the keyword lambda, and that came up in the previous video, line 22f1fa19C3M1b7C8E 13C9C6D3P38D19D6E Hertzian Monopile Pillings 5G Wow Seti. Then we went up to line 22f1fa19C3M1b7C8E 13C9C6D3P38D19D7A distributed Bragg reflector formula 5G Wow Seti. And the keyword lambda again. And quote from the wiki is, in crystal optics, lambda is used to represent the period of a lattice. The keywords is lambda plus distributed Bragg reflector plus dielectric mirror. Quote from wiki, a dielectric mirror, also known as a Bragg mirror, is a type of mirror composed of multiple thin layers of dielectric materials, typically deposited on a substrate of glass or some other optical material. By careful choice of the type and thickness of the dielectric layers, one can design an optical coating with specified reflectivity at different wavelengths of light. Dielectric mirrors are also used to produce ultra-high reflectivity mirrors, values of 99.999%, or better over a narrow range of wavelengths can be produced using special techniques. Alternatively, they can be made to reflect a broad spectrum of light, such as the entire visible range or the spectrum of the Ti-sapphire laser. Mirrors of this type are very common in optics experiments due to improved techniques that allow inexpensive manufacture of high-quality mirrors. Examples of their applications include laser cavity and mirrors, hot and cold mirrors, thin film beam splitters, and the coatings on modern mirror shades. Okay, so March 15, 2013, the formula from the data is crystal optics, lambda, period, lattice, distributed Bragg reflector, dielectric mirror, Bragg mirror, composed multiple thin layers, dielectric material, deposited substrate, glass, optical material, type, thickness, dielectric layers, design, optical coating, reflectivity, different wavelengths, light, dielectric mirrors, produce ultra-high reflectivity mirrors, better narrow range, wavelengths, produce special techniques, alternatively reflect broad spectrum light, entire visible range spectrum, Ti-sapphire laser. Google. Mirrors type common optics experiments techniques allow manufacture high quality mirrors. Application laser cavity and mirrors, hot, cold mirrors, thin film beam splitters, coatings, mirror shades, dielectric mechanism. So I'm going to Google Ti-sapphire laser plus thin film beam splitters, and the keyword dielectric mirror mechanism will be in the next video. Thanks for watching.